The small format CNC can be an incredibly versatile addition to your shop, and your tooling choices can help you get the most out of it. The V-bit may seem simple, but it plays an outsized role in my CNC operations. Modern software packages make it very easy to do decorative carving on your projects using the V-bit. And it can be used to carve lettering in almost any font available on your computer. But the V-bit's role is not limited to just carving. The 90-degree V-bit is especially useful for pre-cutting miters exactly where they're needed, reducing secondary operations after the CNC is finished. The small format CNC can be an incredibly versatile addition to your shop, and your tooling choices can help you get the most out of it. Sometimes, even relatively small projects require a lot of hardware. This butler tray requires 8 hinges, and that means 16 mortises. Because of the locking mechanism on the butler hinge, each mortise has 3 steps in it. The right bits mounted into the CNC allows for both accurate milling of the mortises and accurately locating them in the proper places.